Hey, what's up, YouTube? In this version, what are we gonna call it? In this episode, there we go. In this episode of my YouTube channel, we're gonna check out two projects. I got the new build project, which is the Huracan project. I'm using that project to finance the Huracan that I want to get, the Lamborghini Huracan, for those of you that don't know. And then we're also going to check out the Gallardo project.
Yo, what's up? It's your boy Will Motivation, and today we're talking about my advice on the #1 way for you to get started investing in real estate.
Some of you know me from my first video I did that kind of blew up, which was how much is a monthly payment on a Lamborghini Gallardo. And I talked about how I financed the Gallardo and why I financed it, because I used my cash to invest into some real estate. And we're going to check out the final finished product of that real estate investment, which we call the Gallardo project. It's done. So take a ride with me today. Check it out. I'll walk you guys through the house. If you want to see what it looked like before, just check out my channel. Check out some of the videos. And you'll see. And as a matter of fact, at the end of this video, I will put a link to the prior video so you can check that out. So that's what this episode is going to be about. But also, I got kind of a surprise. I met up with the local Huracan owner who actually is a subscriber to the channel, and he actually owns a Huracan. So I went and met up with him. So I'll give you guys a little glimpse of what his Huracan looks like. Beautiful car. And that'll be at the end of the video, so you guys can check that out. And then I'm actually going to set up an interview with the owner of that Lamborghini to find out what he does to kind of get some motivation, some inspiration, for the channel. So stay tuned. Make sure you hit subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and check it out. All right, so check it out. Last time I came over here, there was a hole in the ground. This time I expect there to be foundation. So foundation, like the basement, cinder blocks for the basement. So we're gonna check it out, see how we're doing. This is the Huracan project. It's a crib that I'm building from the ground up. And my plan is to either, when I'm finished with it, either sell it or to refinance it and rent it out, and then take the proceeds and upgrade my Gallardo to a Huracan. So that's the plan. Let's see the progress, see where we're at. It's the neighborhood right here. Okay, so we got the digging going on. We got the neighbors, they're probably gonna say something. Let's see about that. Check it out. I get a kick out of this, right? Keep out. We're gonna violate that since we own the spot. This is gonna be the garage right here, and then that right there will be the basement. And in that basement, we got an egress window in the back, you can see. And yeah, we're making some progress. Making a nice little progress. The foundation. So this is good. Right here with this little trench, that's where porch is gonna be. We got a front porch. So yeah, it'll look pretty good when it's done.
There it is, folks. Alright, so not bad. Alright, so now about to check out the Gallardo project. So I bought this house and as an investment. Everybody was saying I should have bought my Lamborghini in cash, but I said no. Buy investment, my cash, and buy this Lamborghini. Do some real estate in that. So I leveraged my cash to buy a rental property that more than Gallardo. It should be done. So we're going to take a final look at it. You guys can see the finished product. And you can check out some of my other videos to see what it looked like before, as we were doing the rehab. But anyway, this is the neighborhood. I painted the house to be white. That's it right there. And yeah, it should be done. Did a little bit of landscaping work with it. So let's go check it out. Looks like a little bit of touch up was done. I gotta get a doorbell. Check it out. Got some light. Let me get some light in here. We got the ceiling fan. Floors look good. Got the stainless steel appliances in here. Good. Nice little flush light. I like that. Light switch over here. I like that. Oh, okay, look. Check out the deck. Got the deck painted. It's looking good. So, look at that. Gotta hammer down some these panels, screw them down. I'm thinking this looks pretty good. Nice little backyard on it. You know what I'm saying? I probably would have went a little darker on this railing, but overall, I'm happy with this. Pleased with it so far. But, you know, it's typically what I do. I take a house and make it pretty good. Rent it out, check it out. Painted the doors, all of this. Turn that light on. So we don't get anybody creeping around back here. Yeah, we'll leave that light on. So, you know, this is typically what I do. You know, there used to be a wall right here. We took the wall out. You know, this is granite. And we've got the doorbell. I don't know where this light came from. What that is. But make sure all systems are go. That together. Got the microwave hooked up. Looking good. Looking good. So it's the kitchen. Want to put a TV? Got that hooked up here. Hallway. Got our closet here. Got our bedroom. Bedroom number 1. Okay. So, they need to hang up my mirror. Not sure what happened with that. But, it doesn't look too bad. Bedroom number 2. Check it out. Got the
New carpet. Closet. Got your linen closet there. Got your master bedroom here. New carpet, new trim. Bathroom here. Everything should be good. I like that. Nice mirror. Got water. There it is, folks. Now all we gotta do is check out the basement. I meant to leave this lights on. I like the house to look like it's inhabited. I'll leave that light on. Alright, let's check out the basement. Carpet basement. Brand new. If you guys remember, this basement before was totally unfinished. Now we got extra space down here for whatever. And that is a huge silverfish. I like to get rid of that. But I did just call the exterminator. Spray down here. There it is, man. Nice little extra bedroom type of space. Got a nice little extra living room space here. There's actually a workroom area back in this space. A workroom back there. We got the washroom here. I come in here and have somebody clean up the floor. Washroom. But yeah, there it is, folks. I'm pleased with it. That's it. This is the Gallardo project, and it's already rented for $1,295, $1,300 a month. And nice little project. Initial investment was $67,000 plus the rehab cost was right around 20 grand. So I'm less than 100,000 in, and the return on investment is 3%. That's how you do it. Look at what we have here. The Huracan, beautiful black with the red calipers. Interesting story from the owner, trying to arrange an interview, which we're going to do in a future video, kind of tell his story. But we actually met off of the channel, my YouTube channel. So networking a little bit, but more than anything, I want to share his story with you guys, or have him share his story with you guys, and then just get another perspective. People following their dreams and making it happen. So yeah, that's beautiful, man. Beautiful. You been in any car meets yet?
Yeah, I went to Buyers, and then I went to Lennox twice.
There was one today at the Diamond Cellar.
Yeah. Three I went to, there was nothing. There was Ferrari, and there's an Accord.
Hey, I just wanted to say thanks for watching today's video. There's a lot more to come. Hit that like button for me and subscribe to my channel. A lot of you guys have been asking me about when is my online course going to be ready. Well, I have good news for you. My online course is completed. I'll put a link in the description of this video where you can click on that link and get a 40% discount off the course. That'll be for the first 50 students. So if you're ready to take the online course that I've basically laid out everything that I know about how to invest in real estate, click the link below or just go to www.willmotivation.com/invest. And thank you guys for taking the time out to watch today's video. Hope you learned something, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.